A ceramic coating is a special liquid polymer that creates a super strong shield of defense on your vehicle's clear coat. This protective layer is extremely hydrophobic, chemical and scratch resistant, exceptionally glossy, and dramatically reduces the chances that your vehicle becomes damaged by environmental conditions. Bug splats, bird droppings, acid rain, and even the sun's strong UV rays can no longer have a chance in causing permanent damages to your paint. And when it comes to maintenance washing your car, you'll enjoy a huge time saver too. Not only will your car stay cleaner for longer, when it does need a wash, you'll find it super easy to perform and literally takes less than half the time to wash your car compared to a vehicle that has not been ceramic coated. We offer several different ceramic coating protection packages with options that range from 1 year all the way up to a lifetime warranty protection. Regardless of what type of vehicle you drive, Dr. Auto Spa has the perfect solution to help you preserve and protect your car for the long haul.